Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to delete Pokémons in Pokémon Go. To delete Pokémon in Pokémon Go, open the Pokémon Go application on your mobile device and log in if needed first. Now from the home page, tap on the Pokéball icon at the bottom center of the screen. Now select Pokémon to view your Pokémon list. Scroll through your Pokémon list and tap the Pokémon you want to delete to open its profile. Tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner and then choose Transfer. Click on Yes in the pop-up and this will transfer the Pokémon to the professor. If you want to delete more Pokémon, repeat this step for each one. And that is it. By transferring the Pokémon to Professor Willow, you can free up space in your Pokémon storage and help the professor with his research. Remember that transferred Pokémon cannot be recovered, so make sure you're okay with deleting them before confirming. So that's how it's super easily done. You will not be able to see any delete option, but you can transfer the unwanted Pokémon so that it gives the similar effect as deleting the Pokémon from your list. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.